What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're going to do another market structure update for BABA, and I do BABA every Wednesday now and Fridays because it's highly requested. So let's take a look at the price action since last week, Friday. So you can see that price closed on a nice green bar at the $90.71 level. Tuesday and Thursday, or Monday and Tuesday of this week, price tried to break past this $90 level, $91 level, got rejected, and then obviously today we had a nice gap up, and price stayed above the gap. So this looks pretty good towards the upside. Looks like BABA was previously kind of just going sideways, but now since we kind of broke outside of this sideways trading range, looks like we could be seeing higher prices. How high? Well, we can use a measured move target. So that's one leg right there. I can go and clone it. This is the second leg. So BABA is trying to reach the high 90s, low 100s, low 100 target. So that would bring BABA right over here. So we'll see if that can be obtained. We could pull back first before going up higher. So a lot of times that's very common whenever we see a breakout of a swing or a key level. A lot of times price will pull back towards it and then it'll go higher, or we can just go higher from right now. It's hard to say which one we're going to do. Usually it's more likely we pull back first. So if we pull back, you would want BABA to stay above this $91 level because that was the prior resistance. So you want it to turn into support. So when it pulls back, and that's if it pulls back right now, you want it to act as support for higher prices, or we can just go up higher from right now, which will probably be even better. So BABA still looks like it's likely to continue higher even if we pull back. It just needs to hold above that $90 level or $91 level. We could break slightly below it, but it needs to stay above this level right here. It needs to stay above the high 80s, low 90s. And let's go over the previous price action too, because it looks like the shorts could be trapped. This was all one leg down right here from the shorts. The bears, you can see they made this large leg down. It was a downtrend channel. A lot of times, well, the market generally moves in twos, so you can expect the price to reach the $63 target when it was obviously not, when you cannot see the price action that's already been posted. So you can see that price was going down. It got rejected from the $80 level. It went up, got rejected from the $80 level again. It had a failed breakout and immediately reversed. So it looks like the bears are failing to reach the measurable target. Generally, you can give them 2 times, and after 2 times, and if they fail, there's a good chance we're going to do the opposite. So you can see there was one large drop right here. This was the first attempt to reach the measurable target. This was the second attempt. It failed at that $80 level, which is a very strong support, and you can clearly see that price rallied higher, pulled back, and now it looks like we're in the formation for another impulse up. So that's basically what's going on the chart. And let's just see if BABA can keep it up. It could just fail back inside this orange range. That would be a very bad sign. But as right now, it looks like shorts are trapped and we should be seeing higher prices, at least to the high 90s. Now, that's all I have on the daily chart. Now, let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for BABA. This is the entire range pattern that BABA has been inside of for quite a long time now, more specifically since March of 2022. And you can see that BABA just bounced from the lower side of the range. So if you hit the lower side of the range, BABA should be attempting to reach the upper side of the range. We did hit the lower side of the range over here, and price went up, got rejected. It went back down, hit the lower side of the range, went up, got rejected. But now it's even more confirmed that the bears are unable to drop the price, because now we're kind of getting back above this EMA. So it looks pretty good towards the upside. And we could potentially even fill in this gap right here. Gaps are good targets when prices are trending in that direction. So let's see if that gap gets filled, which coincides with the top side of the range. And if the market is really bullish, we can get another leg up. That would take BABA to the 140s, and that might take about several weeks, maybe towards the end of August. A few weeks, several weeks to maybe a couple of months, BABA might reach this target right here. So it could take a lot longer, it could take a lot shorter, but usually, I say a few months would be adequate for this measure move target. So right now, BABA looks like it's targeting the upper side of the range now, because that is the range rules. So that's all I have for BABA this week, Wednesday, and I'll give you guys an update Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.